Assalamu alaikum guys. In this video I will discuss what is the meaning of debit and credit in accounting. Most of the time students guess different meanings of the debit and credit in accounting, while there is a simple rule, there is a simple trick that you need to keep in your mind, that in accounting the debit and credit means nothing. Rather they shows the two sides of an account. That is, the debit shows the left side of an account while the credit shows the right side of an account. So you need not to worry about the meanings of the debit and credit. They means nothing in accounting. Only they shows two sides of an account. That is, the debit shows the left side of an account while as the credit shows the right side of an account. In this regard, we use the debit and credit rules for the five accounting families, that is assets, liabilities, owner's equity, revenues and expenses. So there is a very simple trick, there is a very simple formula for memorizing the debit and credit rules of these two terminologies, of these two terms, that is the debit and credit. In case of the first and last element, that is the accounting families, that is the assets and expenses, whenever there will be an increase in the assets and expenses, you will have to debit it, and if there is a decrease in the assets and expenses, you will have to credit it, while you have to uh, act reciprocally in the other three accounting families, that is liabilities, owners equity and revenues, that whenever there will be an increase in the liabilities, owners equity and revenues, you need to credit it, while there is an increase decrease in the liabilities, owners equity and revenues, you have to debit it. So simply keep this in your mind. This is a simple rule, that whenever there is an increase in the assets and there is an increase in the expenses, you will have to debit it, and whenever there will be decrease in the assets and expenses, you need to credit these two. While in case of the other three terminologies, that is in case of the liabilities, owners equity and revenues, whenever there is an increase, you will have to credit it, whenever there is a decrease, you need to debit it. So this is a very simple and a straightforward rule you need to keep in your mind, and throughout your accounting courses, throughout your accounting chapters, you need to follow these basic rule of the debit and credit. Hope this video will help you out. Thank you.